Arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, connectivity, bridge solution, global telematics box module, TBM, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li 40 MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel, gloss black exterior accents, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, vinyl door trim panel, black accent stitching, altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li 40 MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.